Women have always been the silent, tenacious type. They have seen the fleeting of time before them and the changes from the good to the bad. Altogether, women calmly but incisively compel the conditions for transformation. They do not clutch their thatch and go about clamoring for attention. They do not scout for the credit for their worth through the consolidation of the social substance. She gives forever as she lives. She is the maker, the molder, the nurturer of his times. The most important role that a woman has been playing is that of sharing the responsibilities of sharing, caring, and nurturing. For generations, she has discharged her responsibilities as such. There is nobody who has the rights to designate roles to the Indian woman. It is for her to decide and play the role that suits her the best. If everybody is concerned for the institution of the family, women themselves are even more concerned. It is not for the society to exert pressure on women and set the most for her. As the society itself is evolving, her role profile also demands a change. From the traditional family that was joint, the family itself is becoming nuclear. The changes in the economic structure demands women to be the breadwinners for the family in the modern age. The challenge is to reconcile the malevolent tendencies of not sharing domestic responsibilities with women. Women are forced to assume the role of a superwoman, and this is a new challenge that a woman faces in this new century. Historically, women have always never hesitated to assume the active role. They have played an important part in India's independence struggle, and some of the famous freedom fighters include Dr. Annie Besant, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Amrit Kaur, Aruna Asif Ali, Kasturba Gandhi. The Rani of Jhansi Regiment of Subhash Chandra Bose Indian National Army also consisted of entirely women, including Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. Then we have Sarojini Naidu, a poet and a freedom fighter. India is one of the earliest countries to have a woman Prime Minister, and that is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. One of the earliest to have sent Ms. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit as the first woman President of the United Nations General Assembly. Women's impact is simply due to the fact that they are now educating themselves. They are fighting for their rights and are slowly progressing and participating in activities that they were not allowed before. The steady change in their position can be highlighted by looking at what has been achieved by women in the country. Suzanne Tata, the first Indian woman to drive a car. Harita Kaur becomes the first Indian woman to perform a solo flight. Prem Mathur, the first commercial pilot of the Deccan Airways. Anna Shandy, the first judge of High Court. Dr. Durga Banerjee, the first woman pilot of the state airline. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay wins Raymond Magsaysay Award for community leadership. Indira Gandhi, the first Prime Minister of India. Kamaljeet Sandhu, the first Indian woman to win a gold in the Asian Games. Kiran Bedi, the first female recruit to join the Indian Police Service. Justice Fatima Bibi, the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India. Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian woman to go into the space. Priya Jindal, the first lady cadet to join the Indian Army. Sunita Arora, the first in the Indian Army to don the highest rank of Lieutenant General.